Okay. Immediate. Look how crispy that fish is. Good morning, everybody and or anybody. Welcome back. This is Christian with Make Time for Fishing. I'm going back to fish the bridge. I'm doing some fishing for dinner tonight. Hopefully I'll be doing a catch and cook with some sheepshead. I just caught some crabs at the ramp right now. I got fiddler crabs, I got marsh crabs, I got some mud crabs. I have a little bit of everything, but not a lot of anything. So we'll see how far we get today. Hopefully I'll get a few fish to keep for the table. Might give some to some friends as well. I'm going to start out with a slip float rig. If you haven't seen how to rig this, I showed how to rig it when I used it the first time in a previous video. I'll link that up above. That's what I'm gonna start out with. I'm hoping that'll help me miss fewer bites. And we'll see. If it's not working out, we got plenty of other rigs. It's about 2.5 hours until low tide. I'm just gonna get to fishing. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you do and you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I post videos like this twice a week. Anyway, let's get to the action. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's get to work. Let's check the depth first, see what we're working with. What I'm doing here is I'm moving my bobber stopper to adjust for the changing depths I'm fishing at. Let's try a second split shot. I would like if I could get this bobber to go up and down. There we go. That's more of what I'm talking about. Start out with a little fiddler. See what we can make happen. There we go. Okay. Proof of concept right there. This is the first time I'm using this size bobber and this weight of split shots with that bobber, so wasn't sure if the fish would be able to take it under just fine. And even this little guy did, so there you have it. This is the same piling I just got that one on. See if there's anyone else. He just pulled it straight under and just started going with it. Oh, I had one on. I didn't know. All right, well this one didn't pull it under. It's another little guy. Maybe my depth was off, or could have even just been stuck on something there. Okay, tied on a 3/8 ounce sheepsticker jig. I was just having some technical issues with it. It's coming up on slack tide now. Having trouble finding the fish so far this morning, so I figured I'd try some new pilings. Haven't tried before, see if I can't find a hidden pocket of them. All right. I'm not sure if the camera was working or not, but I just got a little sheepshead on a marsh crab on this piling right here. Wow, I didn't feel that one at all. Oh, he's hooked in the side. That was why he pulled so hard. He's actually pretty small. Well, that was exciting at least. Wow, okay. Well, this might be a spot right here. I got nailed while I was moving. I didn't even realize someone had picked it up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Immediate big fish. Okay. Maybe this is a spot. Wow. Whew. All right. First good fish of the day. Here's my dinner. The first drop on these pilings in the back here. Wow, that's probably close to an 18. Very nice fish. It's gonna have plenty of food for us tonight. Besides that, I'm just having fun. That guy was on a fiddler actually, and it was probably 3 seconds after my jig hit the bottom. I'm gonna get this guy in the cooler and get back on that bridge. Stay tuned. Let's see if I can do that again with a fiddler crab. Oh, I'm already getting hit. Oh my gosh. No, it's another sheep. Not big, or not as big as the last one. Another one for the fiddlers. It's almost slack tide, and the bite is hot right here. And straight back into the same spot. Another little guy. Alright, this is a microscopic, tiny little mud crab going down. It's cracked, so it's going to be a quick bite. This guy's got some pretty cool colors on him. Okay, I'm gonna try over here real quick before I move back to my normal position. I've never tried this side of the bridge before, so don't really know the depth. I don't know anything about it. Feels, at least this section's about the same depth. Looks like the current's starting to come in now, which is good. Looks like another good keeper. Nice. Hasn't been a morning of a lot of size today. Let's see. Yeah, he's about 15. With how things are going, I think I'm gonna keep him. Now I'll hold out for more like 16, 17, 18. All right, buddy, you're lucky. I'm feeling confident. Nice, wow. That was unexpected. I dropped it and then I noticed the bait was moving with me. Great. Oh yeah, no, he shrank when I got he shrank when I got him up here. He's close to 14. Okay, let's see if that'll happen again. Another half a mud crab on the half-ounce sheepsticker jig. That's okay, he was little. Half of a bigger mud crab about to go down. Little guy. Little guy. in a nursery right now. A couple of them have been keepers or borderline keepers, but no giants yet for the amount I've hooked. There we go. Nice little 12, 13, something like that. Okay, we're back at the house now. It's the next day. The fish was on ice overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and flay them up, then we're gonna get going. If I didn't say this already, we are doing pretzel crusted fried sheepshead tacos. I did this last week with some halibut. I didn't make it into tacos, but immediately after tasting how crunchy it was, I knew I had to make it into a taco next time. So, something you're definitely gonna need to have is some hard pretzels. I like using the pretzel rods. Let's flay the fish first, and then we'll get into the nitty-gritty. Okay, here's a real quick warning for everybody before this next part. I'm about to clean this fish. If you're not interested in seeing that, I'm looking at you, Mom, go ahead and skip about a minute ahead in the video. As everyone likes to stress, leave the very tag end attached to the tail there. That way, you can flip the fish back. Now I'll do the same thing on this side. You can see the knife blade through the fish there, and that's a good way to know that you actually got all the meat off there. I rinsed them off in the sink. I'm just gonna cut some pin bones out and clean off this little bit of skin I got here. Alright, there they are all cleaned up. Now I'm going to clean them off again, rinse them off in the sink, dry them, and then I'll strip them up, cut them into strips for the frying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 little strips that are gonna be perfectly crispy and ready to be some tacos. Okay, the steps in order are: we toss the fish in seasoned flour. That's what this freezer bag's for. You're gonna season some flour, throw the fish in, shake it up. Then you dip it in egg, then you roll it around in crushed pretzel, put it straight in the oil. Boom, you're crispy. So, first, I'm gonna take some of this. Usually use about a half cup of flour, just because if I use much more, I end up throwing out a whole lot of it. My standard mix: paprika, garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. A 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratio. So for this amount, I'm gonna do a teaspoon each. Put it in there, shake it all up. This is fresh ground salt and pepper, so I can't measure this one as easily. I just do a healthy amount. It takes a while to refill the salt and the pepper. Before you put the fish in, shake this up so you distribute the seasoning and the flour pretty evenly. Now we'll toss the fish in. Seal that lid up and shake that fish around, get it nice and coated. Now we're gonna crush up, or in my case, blend up pretzels. I recommend blending it or using a magic bullet or whatever you got. Try and get it nice and fine. The finer, the better the coating. Let's get going. So there's no exact science to this. Probably do like, I don't know, 6 or 8 pretzel sticks, something like that. And that's the loud part. We now have our nice fine pretzel dust. That's gonna be our final coating that goes on top of the fish. Our oil's nice and hot on the stove over there, so let's get going. So here's what we're gonna do. We got the egg here, we got the pretzel there. What we're gonna do, take one of these nicely coated fish fillets out, toss it in the egg real quick. Gonna get a little bit of egg on all the surfaces, shake the excess off, toss it in the pretzel dust, get it very coated, no surfaces untouched, straight in the oil. Alright, so as you can see, those are nicely coated and starting to crispify. Thinking it'll be about 3 minutes or so aside. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'll let you know how long it actually takes, but we're cooking now. Put them on the plate back here. Push down to get some of that extra oil, and it also doubles as keeping it warm. I'm really excited about this. Making one just for show. And then, on top of that, I'm gonna put 2 little strips. Oh my gosh, that looks really good. And I'll probably put a little bit more of the slaw on top because I made a lot of it. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited about this. Look how crispy that fish is. I'm just gonna... Okay. This must be good. This is a thick taco. I was not expecting to make a taco this big, but I'm having 2 of them, so get ready for that. Yep. Okay. This is delicious. It's super crispy. Fish is crispy. The tortilla is soft. The slaw adds some crunch to it as well. Got the sour cream in there, the chipotle. It's really good. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salsa verde to it that Elise made the other day. Man, this is delicious. Okay, I'm done filming because I want to eat, but thank y'all for watching. If you try this, let me know how you like it. I'm gonna be doing this with chicken, fish, everything. The pretzel crust is a game changer. It makes it super crispy if you ever have trouble making fish crispy without deep frying it fully. But I'll see you guys next time, and remember to make some time for fishing. Go out for another bite.